Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're eager to dive into the world of Prime Video but aren't sure how to get it up and running on your smart TV, you're in the perfect spot. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can start streaming your favorite shows and movies in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure your smart TV is connected to the internet. This is essential because you'll need a stable connection to download apps. Most modern smart TVs from brands like Samsung, LG, or Sony come with built-in Wi-Fi, so head to your TV's settings and connect to your home network if you haven't already. Once you're online, navigate to your TV's App Store. It's usually right on the home screen. Look for icons like App Store or Smart Hub. Go ahead and open it up. Now, use the search function to type in Prime Video. You'll see the official app pop up, select it and hit download or install. Depending on your TV model, this might take a minute or two, so grab a snack while it loads. After the app is installed, launch it from your home screen. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Amazon account. If you have a Prime membership, enter your email and password. Don't have an account? No worries. Just follow the on-screen instructions to create one quickly. Now the fun begins. Once you're logged in, you can browse categories, search for specific titles, or check out Prime originals. Use your TV remote to navigate and select what you want to watch. Pro tip: if you run into any hiccups, like the app freezing, try restarting your TV or double-checking your internet speed. And there you have it. You're all set to enjoy endless entertainment. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.